Okay, family, I just want to give you an update. I did the video about finding discount plants during the transition from the summer to the fall season, and I spoke about those hydrangeas that I was able to get at a discounted rate. I have one, two, three. I finally got all those planted. This is in the area, it gets like morning, early afternoon sun, but then it starts to get more shaded. So, I think I put these in the ground on Labor Day, and I watered them good, put a little worm casting compost in here. This is clay area. It was so hard. Digging the holes was so hard. But I didn't do them, of course, but it was still hard. But again, I haven't watered those since. I gave them a good watering, but nothing extra. And as you can see, they're looking good. They're looking perky, probably because it's late afternoon. But anyway, this is a more shaded area, and this is a more suited area for hydrangeas, especially this one. Some part sun, partial sun, mostly shade, but it's looking good. I have this, I forgot what type of fern. I think it's a golden leaf fern. I had that on the side of my chicken coop. Um, but I dug that up because we were doing the build out over there. So it was in the area where the build out. And here's another one of these hydrangeas um, that I got. And I don't know if you guys can see right there. See, it's even getting a new bloom right there. And on that one, and that's just what I want to see. So that's good. It's got a little browning on the leaves, and it could be because I had it in the sun for a couple of weeks. So that could be a little burning on the leaves. But I'll come back through here and water. And here's another fern that I had over there. It was already doing bad. Um, but yeah, I took it over there so the shaded area be perfect for the hydrangeas and the ferns. And here is that last hydrangea. And as you can see, that bloom is so pretty, lime color. It's beautiful. The leaves still look good there. That's got a little burning. Um, New blooms. Yeah, it's looking good. I'll probably come through here and water. And I also, here's another fern. So this area, again, perfect, well suited. If you hear chickens, those are my neighbor's chickens. That's what you see, and this is the angle of it. So I think they'll do very well in this area. And I'm also thinking about putting some small low-lying maple trees. I have two in my front yard, and I think they're getting too much sun and it's too much for them, so I'll probably dig those up and transplant them and put them back here, those very low weeping type Japanese maples. But this is it. Um, yeah. And I also had some other like traditional hydrangeas, like the mop head that's pink or the blue. They were in the pot, and I think they got burned or too much water. But I do know that I think the deers were coming by munching on the leaves. But this is that type of hydrangea where you can be pink or green depending on the acidity of the soil. So I just moved these back here behind our carport. So this one has new blooms. I don't know if you can see down there that little green. So they're doing fine. Typically I don't prune these, so I have one, two, three. I think it'll look really nice. But yeah, these are the flower parts and the other hydrangeas. So again, family, what you can get at discounts as you transition from summer to fall to help build up your garden, your landscape, whether it's with edible plants or whatever the case you may be. This is interesting. I have this plant right here. What is this? That leaf. I have to look that up. I don't know why it looks familiar to me, but I can't place it. Got a lot of squirrels around here, so there's no telling what they dug up. But again, thank you guys for watching. That was the update on the discounted hydrangeas and the discounted plants that you can get on sale. Just ask.